Saya, Prof. Eko dari Pradita, Indonesia, mengucapkan selamat atas pameran Landscape, City, or Nature International Illustration Exhibition tahun 2021 di Sumarekon Mall Serpong. Sukses selalu.
My name is Pradita from Poland. I'm academic lecturer from Universiteti of Information Technology and Measurement from Rzeszow.
Hi, my name is Karolina Guraj. I'm from Poland, from UITM in Rzeszow.
Nama saya Beatrice Wiguna.
Nama saya Erania.
Nama saya Fasamli Kurniawan.
Nama saya Gita Tiara Arya Chandra.
Saya Jocelyn.
Nama saya Michelle Angela.
Saya Nadine Natali Utari.
Saya Patricia Amelia.
Nama saya Regina Gunawan.
Hai, nama saya Tezka Salma.
Nama saya Jenny Safira.
I'm Andana Lingga, lecturer in Visual Communication Design at Pradita University.
Please enjoy International Illustration Exhibition 2021 Landscape, City or Nature at Sumarekon Mall Serpong, Tangerang, Indonesia.
Hey everyone, this is Professor Scott Lazaro from the USA, Temple University, and please come and enjoy the illustration exhibition Landscape, City or Nature in 2021. The work is fabulous.
My name is Shantou.
Hello everyone, I'm Onsekiz.
My name is Onsekiz. I'm Jacob.
My name is Xu. My name is Anson Tai.
My name is Jordan.
My name is Shantou. My name is Mia.
Hello everyone. I'm very happy to guide my students from Shantou University to join this amazing show.
This is Kai Kim from Namseoul University in South Korea. We are very happy to have illustration exhibition in Indonesia. For this exhibition, we have 15 illustrations with 14 Korean students. Please enjoy the illustration exhibition Landscape, City or Nature 2021.
My name is Beyza.
My name is Uğur. My name is Furkan Meriçimen. My name is Akın.
My name is Yalın Bayrak.
My name is Harun.
My name is Tuğçe.
My name is İlkan Devrimdinç. I'm a lecturer from Çanakkale, Onsekiz Mart University.
Associate Professor Didem Çatal. I am from Çanakkale Onsekiz Mart University, Faculty of Fine Arts, Graphic Design Department. We are very happy and proud of being a part of illustration exhibition Landscape, City or Nature 2021. And congratulations to everyone. I would like to say thank you, Patricia Longova and Irwan Harnoko. Enjoy!